Okay, so here I took one of my willow wreaths and I took out the reindeer moss. The reindeer moss is a little bit greener, so what I did is I actually mixed the two mosses that I had. The reindeer moss I picked up from the Dollartree, and this was a bigger bag of the green moss, which I picked up from Dollarama. So I have a big bucket, which I use because it's very messy, and I'm just going to pull the moss apart. Once I've gathered all the moss apart into little sections, I'm just going to take my glue gun and I'm going to put glue all over the willow wreath and pick up smaller sections of the moss and just put it on. It actually sticks really nice to the willow wreath, so the more glue you put on, just hold it on for a little bit and it sticks fairly easily. So you're going to repeat this process, flipping the wreath constantly over, making sure you've got every area covered. So this is a little bit time consuming, and like I said, it's a little bit messy, so it's great if you do have a big container like I do. So you're going to keep flipping the wreath. You'll notice some bare spots, so you're just going to take in your moss and fill those spots in. Now I chose to do 2 of these, so if you want to just keep one and then enjoy the one that you have. Now I want to hang these on a cabinet that I have in my living room, so this is the ribbon that I have chose. I've just cut the length that I need, and I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to the back. It holds very nice. I'm going to repeat the process on my other willow wreath using the same ribbon that I have cut the same length. And there you go. I just hung these up with tacks, but you're more than welcome to use little hooks. I think they turned out super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.